These are the elevators here at Burlington Coat Factory. Oh, look at that poor ass security camera. Oh my gosh, these things are. Oh boy. Motor. The fuck? Oh, you got me. Oh my god, look at this. You guys going to.
Why?
Damn. MT does not do well in environments like this. Oh man, this elevator is. Yep, you know what this is? It's a Schindler hydraulic elevator. Pathetic. This door is. Everything's too spread out for comfort. Everyone, take a look at this beautiful hand-railed cab. Clean floors. A security camera that's here for your protection. And nice clean fixtures. Just cleaned. Best high quality doors you can find. There's the other one. And these have the fire doors that actually come down in front of the elevators if there's a fire. It's pretty pathetic though.